So again, there's a question how to change the custom metahuman. So I have already answered it before. So next question is, in week 2 day 6 assignment, I am unable to import the custom metahuman. So for importing a custom metahuman, there is a simple process. We have this Quixel bridge which is inside the Unreal Engine itself. If you click on the add button and you will actually open the Quixel bridge, you make sure that you sign in to your Quixel bridge. If you do not sign in, then your custom metahumans won't be present over there. If you know the custom metahumans or even the normal metahumans, those are created in the metahumancreator.com. There's a separate website for it, and that website is actually linked with the Quixel bridge. Alright, so when you create a custom metahuman, it is actually stored in the metahumancreator.com. Alright, and then it links to the Quixel bridge. So when in the Unreal Engine you open the Quixel bridge, you have to sign in with the same account that you have created in the metahumancreator.com, and there you will find your custom metahuman, and then you just have to select your custom metahuman and you just have to click import or add. It will automatically get added in your project. So there's no difference of actually importing the custom metahuman and base metahuman because the process is same. Alright, so even if you want to import a normal metahuman, which is the template metahuman, it is also the same process. So if you are unable to import the custom metahuman, make sure that you are signed in the Quixel bridge. If you are not signed in, of course you won't be able to find your custom metahuman.